everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Josie. Today I'm going to do an unboxing from Chris and Hollie. Can't wait to open this. I know it. I ordered the patriotic fabric. But first of all, I want to show you. And on the thumbnail you will see the jelly roll and a little bit of the process. This is, I'm not done with it, but I wanted to show you. This is going to be a quilt. I have to quilt it, have to put the backing and quilt it. But if you go and look at the thumbnail, you will see the jelly roll and how I sewed the strips. And I actually will be doing a DIY. I know I'm behind in my DIYs. But I plan on showing you just how I do my quilts and my anything bags, and then I will be doing some DIYs on the jeweled hearts and crosses that I make. So I just wanted to give you a sneak peek. It's not done, but anyway, take a look at the thumbnail. Okay, I have not opened this. I'm really excited. I've seen the picture and I thought, oh, I have lots of ideas for this fabric. Thank you, Hollie. Packing it well. Okay. This is the stack of fabric that I just purchased from Chris and Hollie. And let's look at it and see. If you watch her videos, you will see some of this. I've got some great ideas. Oh, I just love these. Oh my, so exciting. And again, I absolutely don't need fabric. It's just a challenge to me to make things out of this dumpster fabric. Excuse me. This really feels really good quality. I love this. So cute. Look at this. Little cars and Snoopy. And I love the red truck and like the Christmas tree, and they put the pumpkins. Love the red truck. Oh, this is great. And in some of the other fabric lots that I bought from them, this fabric was in there. In fact, I think there's a piece in my, oh, I know, the placemats. Yep, the placemats that I made. Oh, these are so cute. Look at the, oh, look at a whale. Love this. I am totally addicted to fabric. Oh, how cute. I have some great ideas with that. Hope you will stay tuned and see the results. And this fabric feels really good. I can tell just by feeling fabric whether it's quality or junk, and this is really nice. Oh, so cute. I don't know if anyone else out there is addicted to fabric, but, and I have been all my life, even when I was in my 20s. Oh, I like this, a map of United States. That is really neat. And look at beautiful red. And these are, you know, large enough too that, say, I can actually, out of this 2 pieces right here, I have enough to make possibly 2 anything bags. So that is really neat. And this is cute. Stars. And some white, and you can use white with anything. And strawberries. This is really neat. It's amazing what you can do with scraps of fabric. And these are actually really good sized pieces. And again, it's a shame that Joann's or any of these stores throw this stuff out. Look at that. That is really, these are good sized pieces. I have sewed little scraps together if you watch my videos. Yeah, I like this patriotic bunch of fabric. Oh, and this is some batting. Very good. I use a lot of batting. Okay, and it's some more white. Love all these pieces. Thank you, Chris and Hollie. And Hollie, you work really hard at separating these and doing such an excellent job. I really appreciate. I hope at least in the next month or so I can produce something to show you what I have made. And like I said, I challenge myself every day to create something different. I think it's so much fun. And you will be amazed what this is going to look like after I quilt it all. And it will have a backing, because right now it's just doesn't have a backing. It's just, and this is all the fabric from the jelly roll. The only thing I added was this navy blue. So I hope you find this interesting. I know not everybody's into sewing and creating like that, but even if you're not, I think it would be fascinating just to see what people put together and create something. So thanks for watching. Like I said, I hope I will be getting started on my DIYs really soon. I am behind. I've been animal sitting, so it takes up a lot of time. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And even if you don't like it, I don't mind the thumbs down. It still counts. And I would really appreciate if you share my videos. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye, everyone.